and welcome. You're on Cloud Time, and I am redoing our laundry room. So, tell you a story. Long ago, before we had this apartment, there was a pigeon infestation. The doors were open. They were free to roam anywhere, and they chose here.
They couldn't.
Yes. I, Cadence Cloud, am going to remove this existence. I will use this, like this. Ugh, don't fall on me. I'm going to use this Fast and Final spackle because I don't have to sand it, even though I do have sandpaper if I need it. And it's fast drying, and I'm trying to get this done in one day. I'm going to patch all the random wall holes, and then I'm going to try and put texture on it because this doesn't take paint very well. You can see my test is textured. This is not. So I'm going to just smear just like a little bit here and there to try and like help absorb it and get more surface area that will take the paint.
Sounds good.
This is the paint that I will be using. It is primer and paint, so hopefully I only have to do one coat just in case I have another. This is an apartment and we're not going to be here forever, so I'm not trying to put too much work into it. Just make it really nice for the next person and for me where I live here now. And then I'm going to put probably a new shelf that goes all the way across here. Here's where the old shelves were. I'm probably going to lower it. And I can put tubs up and anything that would help other people moving for big boxes like that fan.
You have to store things.
Yeah, just like a good storage area because there is no storage in this place. Over here, I'm thinking either like a shoe rack sort of thing where it's like angled so I could put like boxes and bins to put some stuff on and easily like pull it down. I've seen that.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Or just like several smaller shelves.
How do you know the dryer and washer will fit in this space?
I
measured
it. It's 30 inches this way, like 28 this way, and 8-foot ceilings and 8 foot this way.
So it will fit?
Hopefully. I don't know. I didn't measure the dryer and the washer, but I measured the room and I told my mom, which bought the washer and dryer, and hopefully it'll fit. Okay, now that painting's done, I have to do the shelves. So I did the math to figure out exactly where I wanted the shelves. I want 2 shelves on one side and then 1 shelf on the other side over the dryer. This is a 1x4 I got. So it's like 12 bucks. This is pretty good. I also got glued edged pine. I'll show it to you. This thing, isn't it cute? Edge glued. And now I need to measure and measure again and cut. Okay. I figured it out to have the least amount of material left over. What I did is I made a scale image of my boards. These are my 6-foot boards, and these are the measurements. These are the boards that I need to make. So I slide these and I put them on top of these to figure out exactly how much I need. And if I do my 31 3/8, my 24 1/4, and my 15 1/4, it fills up the entire board. And so all I have left is this last 31 inch and these two 15 inch, which should give me about that much left over. Okay, let's now go cut things. Here's what I'm gonna do. I have put this level up so I have a straight line and I know where my shelf is gonna be at. I'm gonna be putting in anchors. I'm very pleased.
Well done.
Thanks. So I finished off with the shelving. Now that that's done, I have my washing dryer here, and our hooks didn't match, so we're putting on a new plug. These little circle things go around these screws. You screw it down and it'll hold it in place. This is your tension, stress relief, and it'll hold this cord in place. So this thing stays all safe. It's really easy to do yourself. I should really plan my outfits better for these things. I didn't like have the first whole time in my PJs and nap hair.
Good.
I feel secure. Now we're putting that back on and finishing it.
Now we have a foot pedal to put on.
I don't know, I was missing a foot pedal.
I think it goes on the washer.
There we go. I'll lift up the underneath
You
of
didn't it. show me what the difference was between the two.
Old new. This one has a stopper on it. Very nice. So we're done here. Now we just have to put it on the truck, strap it down.
Take it to the city.
Yeah.
Electrocutor.
Yay!
And now it breaks. Hey, that's the first test we've had, isn't it? Or did y'all test it?
Back on. Let's blow all the dirt out of it.
Dirt.
Yeah, did you hear it?
Yeah. It scared me. Okay.
Ready.
Or you cut half of it off with scissors. And maybe you can't get this out.
Yep, so if you just smush it like an accordion, then it can unaccordion when you come out.
Uno, dos, tres.
Don't pull on your board.
Unless you're way down into it. Just flop your belly over it. See if it breaks. Please get this one.
I'm sorry. I'm really trying to make this graceful.
Just don't break anything. Dryer wise.
That door's...
Wait, so there are filters in there? Okay. Very nice! Sorry.
Cleaner.
Ah. There we go. It's my first laundry day. I got my washer. I have my dryer. There's some sand in here. I may have to rewash this load. And I have all of the laundry that we have been building up. There was towels in here, but these are colors and those are darks. I haven't really sorted that one yet. But I got all the windows open and my top knot, and I got my music going, and it's gonna be a great day. With me and my brother, we took a walk before this, and we're feeling good. We're gonna be productive, and we're gonna just have a fantastic little day in our own little home. And I feel very proud of what I have accomplished in this room. It looks very nice. I feel very happy and accomplished, and I just need to figure out what to do with all these. Right now they're just hooked on top of these little hooks. I want to get something to hook the brooms up right here, like up here, and then I want to get something I can put hangers on that folds out and puts up right there, but I'll have to do that later. Right now I just need to call it good and start doing laundry. I just wanted to say a quick thank you to my family for helping me out and getting this final step done. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I love you. Mwah. Okay, so subscribe, I guess, and like if you want.